Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get like a good sensitivity for your PUBG game. I don't know. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. I don't really play PUBG. I only play like Valorant and like CS2, and that's like on a rare occasion now because those games stresses me out. Anyways, this is the prompt. If you want it to give me a custom BGMI sensitivity setting that works for best for both close and long range fights. My device name is, that's where you're going to put it in. I use a 1 to like 5 finger claw setup. I don't know, I just randomly used 3 finger setup. I am a full gyroscope user. My preferred weapons are M416 and UMP. I want the best camera, ADS, and gyroscope sensitivity settings so I can improve my gameplay. Yada yada yada. You're just going to press enter on ChatGPT and it's going to search the web to give you kind of the best sensitivity, and you can try that out yourself. Here it's going to show you everything else. Damn, it actually shows a lot, and you're just going to like test it out on your game. Again, I can't show you because I don't play that game, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.